Right, ladies and gentlemen, let us attack task 10. Task 10. So this is what we have. So if we are taking a closer look there by our top view, about 3 corners of this house is touching the picture plane, because this one is a picture plane, this one is horizontal level. So this point is going to be center vision, isn't it? So this one is SP, the start. You know your starting point must have your t-square like this, and then come to trace this. This is to trace these angles off, because these angles are two modes. So this one is out of angle, so we are not going to use this one. Let's check it this side. So which means we must throw away this type of S square. We have 45. So indeed this is 45 anti-clockwise, 45 clockwise direction. You understand? So the very first line that we are going to draw, we have to look for our vanishing points by drawing a line from stationary point, go up. Once it touch your picture plane, it's gonna go vertically down, isn't it? Down like this, then you indicate by an arrow, so that this is vanishing point of your left hand side. Indicate by an arrow that you are going down. So you do the same thing this side, from stationary point, there you go. Once it touch picture plane, it comes vertically down, even this side. So that's how you start to draw your perspective, 2-point perspective, each and every time. You understand? So this is going to be vanishing point of your right hand side. Right, so from there, let's take this point down, this vertically down, because the law says all the points from the top view, once they touch the picture plane, they become vertically down. So these ones, 1, 2, 3, they're actually already touching your stationary point, so they'll automatically go vertically down. You understand? So now we are going to start with this one. So take this point to vanishing point of your left hand side. This is an interesting drawing. So take it to vanishing point of your right hand side as well. Left hand side, right hand side. There you go. Right, then from there, what are we going to do? This, because we must analyze the views correctly, so that you get a clear understanding on what is happening. Let me put my light like this. Yes, then this one is that one there by your top view. This one, the middle one, is that one there by your top view. Then this one is that one. You understand? So I want us to start with this one, which is that one. So take this point to your stationary point. There it goes. Once it touch picture plane, it comes vertically down. There you go. So if I want to move from here till there, it will be good as if I'm moving from here till there. So without fear or favor, I am going to have this one solid. You understand? Okay, after I've gotten that one, get the height from here to there. So you must be very careful in terms of this one, because we've got, in other ways, we've got CV center vision 1, 2 and 3. You understand? So you must be very careful, because this line, it will be turning here, not there, not here. You understand? So it will turn here to go to vanishing point of your left, vanishing point of your right. So you must be very careful, because what we know is that the lines the height lines, they turn in a line once it touch the line of CVSP, center vision stationary point, you understand. So in this case we've got 3 of them, which is 1, 2, 3. It's up to you. Even if you count them 1, 2, 3, it's up to you, understand. So on this one, is this one that it will turn. Why? Because this one is that one, so that is why it will turn on the first CVSP point, you understand. So it's going to turn to vanishing point of your left, vanishing point of your right. I think I'm tired now. My mind is tired. I've exhausted already. Okay, so take it to vanishing point of your left hand side. This will be the last drawing for vandaag. Then once it get there it goes. So from here till there solid. Yes, from here till there solid. So from here till there it cannot be, so because from here till there, so but it's still going up, so which means this is the point we have to take it to our CV line. Take it like this. There it go. From here goes to vanishing point of your right and vanishing point of your left hand side. I feel like continuing, but I have exhausted for vandaag already. So from here till there is solid without fear of fail. Again from here till there solid. So is this one. Gotten it already? Okay, so what are we going to do? We are going to take this point, because this point you must be getting it somewhere there. Take this point to stationary point. There it goes. Once it touch picture plane, vertically down. Be accurate, my brother. So from here till there is solid. From here till there solid. So which point is this one? Is that one. So even if I can take it to my vanishing point of my right hand side, it's not going to give me anything, since I do not have anything somewhere there, you understand. So now I can have this line from here till there solid, from here till there solid. So since I do not have any door there or window, which means even here it will remain like this. So take this point to your vanishing point of your right hand side, and to prove that we are still at the right track, remember that this line is the line that is the same line as this one. So if we are taking this to vanishing point of further extended, to prove that we are at the right track, it has to be in the same line with what, with this point. Let's take it. You see, indeed we are at a right track, so that we have this one solid. You understand? So now what is going to happen? So we are going to, because this point is that one, we have to get to this point. So there it goes. From here goes like this. From here take it to vanishing point of your right hand side, but then further extend up until it touch that line. How? Like this. There you go. Hey, what am I doing? Because it's not, I do not have a solid line here. So which means again here I cannot have a solid line. Erase it, is still early. You understand? I do not have a dark line from here till there. So same applies from here till there. I cannot draw it dark. So after I've gotten this point, so which means from here till there I can have it solid, and from here to there. Which one is this one? Is that one, from there till there. You understand? From there till there. So now take this new point to vanishing point of your left hand side. Like this we go. And then we are going to take that point. Take it. There you go. Once it touches picture plane, becomes vertically down. So then take this one, the bottom one. So which means, remember, is this one from there. So have it dark before you forget it. From here till the dark. So I can have this one from here till there, so that from here till there solid. You understand? Then from there, from here till here solid as well. So we have to get that point, that one. Now that one we are going to get it along this line. You understand? So take it. There it is. It's actually corresponding. It's actually this on top of the center vision stationary point line. You understand? So which means it will be that one. You understand? So which means it would be good as if joining this, joining it like this. But now I cannot draw it dark yet, because there is something that is happening there. There is something like a box. You understand? So we are going to solve that one. Let's come this direction. So now let's get to this point, which is that one. So we are going to take this point to vanishing point of our right hand side. There it goes. So from here till there solid. You understand? Then now we are going to consider the height. That goes from here. Remember, it's going to use the center vision number 3. Center vision number 3. You understand? Center vision, it passed this one and passed this one up until right there. So now, without fear of favor, we are going to have this one solid from here till there. You understand? So take this one to vanishing point of your left hand side, so that you get rid of that one. There it goes. Then let's see what is happening here. Let's see what is happening here. Do we have a line from here till there? We do not have. So which means, again, from here till there we are not going to have a solid line. You understand? So now take this point to your stationary point. There it goes. Once it touches your picture plane, becomes vertically down. There it goes. So from here till there solid. Like this. Then take this point to vanishing point of your left hand side again, like this, and take it to vanishing point of your right hand side, like this. So I can have this one like this dark, and like this dark. You understand? Then let's see what is happening here. So this one, it would be further go up until it gets there, so that, do you see that from here till there is good as from there till there. So there is a what? A line. So which means even here I can have it like this. So you can have this line going to your vanishing point of your right hand side. Then let's take that up peak point. So you're going to take it to vanishing center vision number 3, which is that one. From there go to vanishing point of your left hand side. Actually, once you are done with the roof, you are through already. So take it to vanishing point of your right hand side as well. Okay, so now we are going to take this point to stationary point. There you go. From there it's going to go vertically down like this. We go, so there it goes. Trace it from here, goes like this, which means there is the point. You understand? So you are going to take this line, direct it to that point that you just got, and take this one to that point, take this one to that point. Simple, eh? It was looking challenging, but it's simple, straightforward. From there, like this, you go. Then from there, where can we go? Where can we go? Let's attack this one now, which is we're supposed to get it there. Then from there we put the doors and windows are through. Then now how are we going to get that? Let's firstly take this point, take it to the second center vision. All right, once it touched there, take it to vanishing point of your right hand side. And vanishing point of your left hand side. There you go. And then take this point vertically, which means AS is there, is already there. So which means this is the point. This point is this one. So if I now want to move from there till there, which means I must move from here going this direction. So take this point, direct it to stationary point. There you go. Once it touch, the picture plane becomes vertically down. So there is the point. It's right. Yeah. So from here till there, which means have this one. Have it like this. Then from there we are going to take this point to vanishing point of. Okay, now let's take this one. Take that one, the height, there it goes. From there goes to vanishing point of your left and vanishing point of my right hand side. So take this point, stationary. Once it touch there, so we are going to get it along this line, isn't it? There it goes, which means it's right there. So you are going to join this point with this one like this, right? Then now take this one to vanishing point of your left hand side and this one vanishing point of your right hand side. It goes. Then now take the height, which is this one. Already there, it is from here till here, isn't it? We've took this one, this one is already there. There it goes. From here must go to vanishing point of your left hand side. There it goes, which means from here till there I can draw it dark already. From here till there. Then from here going up again, from here to there. Then so that from here till there, solid. So take this point, vanishing point of your right, vanishing point of your right. There it goes. There it goes. So which means from here going up, which is from there till there, isn't it? So you are going to just stop right here, so that from there till there solid. Simple, eh? Then now take this one to vanishing point of your right hand side. So it's going to be dark from here till somewhere there. There it goes. So from here till there, stop. Then you can close it now. Like this. So we cannot have a dark line going in to show what it's a hole. We are not told, you understand? We are not told like that. So now, which means from here till there, I can now have it solid then. From here till there. And from here to there. So we are done with our roof. So we are going to put the windows now. Let's put the door garage, which is this one, somewhere there. So take this point, direct it toward to stationary point like this. Is this one and that one. So it's this one and that one. There it goes, and there it goes. So it's right here and right there. So let's go back to our front view to get the height. So this one, it should be further extended to the third center vision, not the first, not the second, but the third. So I want to touch there. It goes to go to your vanishing point of your right hand side, like this we go. So from here to the solid. Then there you go, like this we go. So now we are going to show the thickness of the wall by taking that point to stationary. It goes from there vertically down. If this one, so which means it's dark from here till there and from here till there. That's the thickness of the wall. Then you take this point dark till somewhere there, directing this point to what? To vanishing point of your right hand side. So from here to there. That's the thickness of your wall. And then this line from here till there is going to be dark from here to right there. You understand? Because now this one I'm actually lying, let me see, Let me see, because we must take this one. You see, now I don't want to erase. Let me see. There it goes. It will be dark from here till there. Actually, from here till there is not there. Then, let me erase. So this one, it will be dark from here till there, and from here to right there. Then from here it goes up. That's the corner, and this corner is which one? Is that one there by your top view? Is that one there by your top view? You understand? So now this is the inner part. This is the floor inside of the garage. You understand? If there are tiles in the garage, you can now see them clearly there. You understand? This is the thickness of the wall. So this is the walls. These are the walls, the back wall. This wall is this one. Then this one is that one. You understand? So this is the floor of the garage. You understand? So now let's get this window. Who's telling us that is a window? Because if it was still this hidden details down till here, would have said it's a door. So now if it's ending like this, which means it's a window. So let's get that. Take this point to stationary point, this one. It goes. Once it touch there, it's gonna go vertically down. It's too close. And take that one. There it goes. Once it touches there, it goes vertically down. Okay, so now come and take its height. It's gonna go till right there at the center vision number 2. Then from there it goes vanishing point of your left hand side. There it goes. So which means come and retrace it is this one. So which means I've got a point there, which is this one, and I'm having a point right there. So have it solid. So you come back, take this one, isn't it? From your front view, there it goes. Once you touch the second center vision, gonna go vertically. No, vanishing point of your left hand side, there it goes. So which means is this one and this one. Have it dark so that you close it here and close it right there. So show the thickness by taking that point right from your front view, directing it to stationary point like this. Once it touch your picture plane, becomes vertically down. There you go. So take this one to vanishing point of your right hand side like this. So it's going to be dark from here till here. Then from here till there. Then take this point to vanishing point of your left so that you further extend it. You show the thickness of the wall there by your window like this. Like this. Alright. So what is left is this one. This one. So here we do not have any window, and there we do not have any window. We're gonna leave it like this. So let's complete our drawing with this one. Take this point, let me draw them once. Then from there go down, I go down, they go down. So come back to take their height. We are going to use the center vision number 1, which is this one. It's already there, so which means is this one and that one and this one. So the bottom part of it is already there. Take this one to vanishing point of your right hand side, which is the last point. There you go. The middle one. From there, vanishing point of your left hand side and vanishing point of your right hand side. There you go. So now I can have this one solid, and from here till there solid, from here till there solid, from here till there solid, and from here till there solid, from here to the solid. Right, do not forget the thickness of the wall as well, even on this one, you understand. So now just take this corner to your vanishing point of your left hand side, vanishing point of your left hand side, vanishing point of your left hand side, vanishing point of your left hand side. So now you take this one, which is that one, take it down. So from here till here dark, from here till here dark, so that from here till there dark, and from here till there dark, and you take this to vanishing point of your right hand side, so that you're having a small dark line there, and even down here. You understand? So there is the thickness of the wall, thickness of the wall, thickness of the wall, thickness of the wall. So we must show them even on this one. So which means we can have this one dark, have this one dark, then you go up, you understand, so that you have this one dark, this one dark. Okay, so that was Mr. Nkosi for you. Thank you very much for watching, guys.